Viral online ang palibreng sakay sa jeep ng isang ina mula sa Cebu City na si Nida Amancia bilang selebrasyon sa kaarawan ng kanyang pumanaw na anak na si John Ethan Aris. Pumanaw si Aris sa edad na 6, halos 2 taon na ang nakalipas dahil sa high-output cardiac arrest at sepsis. Kwento ng ina, pangarap ni Aris sa maging isang jeepney driver, kaya ito ang napili niyang paraan para ipagdiwang ang ika-8 kaarawan ng anak nitong March 31. Ito na raw ang pangalawang libreng sakay celebration para kay Aris. Ang unang pagkakataon ay noong nakaraang taon, bilang kauna-unahang birthday celebration na hindi na niya kapiling ang anak.
Sa first birthday na wala na siya sa akin physically, it was really difficult for me. I was really praying so hard kung ano bang gagawin ko na something special for him also sa birthday niya. Isipan ko na how about kaya na i-fulfill ko yung dream niya na maging jeepney driver. So, there, na-born yung libreng plite akong pa-birthday. That's in Bisaya. I guess this is the best birthday gift that I could give to honor him, to remember him.
First of all, I want to commend po yung ginawa niyo pong initiative kasi bukod po sa napakaganda po itong tribute para po sa anak niyo na si John, marami rin po kayong natulungan, lalo na po sa panahon po natin ngayon na talagang meron po tayong oil crisis, no? Mahal po mga bilihin, mawawa po yung mga jeepney driver natin. I'm sure, ma'am, may mga naging reaction po yung mga naisakay po ninyo, no? Yung mga naging pasahero po ninyo. Ano po yung mga nasabi po nila? Baka meron po kayong mga nakakwentuhan.
Actually, to be honest po, I didn't really have a first-hand experience about how people reacted sa libreng sakay because I didn't get the chance to ride sa jeepney because I chose to go home right away sa hometown namin kung saan ang final resting place ni Aris. So, I entrusted everything to Sir Richard, the driver. Unlike last year, I got the chance to ride talaga sa jeepney. He shared with me a video sa nangyari doon sa jeepney and I felt so happy to see people who were very happy na nakalibreng sakay sila. It felt like hindi lang ako, hindi lang yung pamilya namin ang nag-celebrate ng birthday ng anak ko, but even strangers also. When they sang a birthday song for my son, I know in my heart na he saw it, maybe he sang with them also. It really felt good to be able to help others, but without them knowing na mas na-help actually nila ako.
Maliwanag pa ni Nanay Nida, paboritong kulay ni Aris ang blue. Kaya tuwang-tuwa siya noong unang beses na nakakita siya ng blue jeep. Dahil laging sumasakay si Aris sa jeep papasok sa school noon, dito siya na-inspire at nagsimulang mangarap na maging isang driver.
Nakikita kasi niya how the drivers would interact with each other and he liked it because according to him, they're so friendly. The idea also na yung mga pasahero nagbibigay ng pamasahe for him, if he would become a jeepney driver, he would have money and he could buy his favorite food, chocolate crinkles and also waffles. And also, he wanted to be a community helper.
Kwento pa ni Nanay Nida, noong ibinahagi niya online ang jeepney team na puntod ni Aris, nag-comment ang asawa ng jeepney driver na si Kuya Richard at sinabing jeep pala nila ang kasama ni Aris sa isang larawan. Dahil dito, naisipang i-contact ni Nanay Nida ang mag-asawa para isagawa ang unang libreng sakay. Hindi man madali ang pinagdadaanan ni Nanay Nida ngayon, nananatili siyang matatag para sa alaala ni Aris. Kaya ang mensahe ng ina para sa mga magulang na may pinagdadaanan katulad niya, you are not alone.
To parents who are going through something painful, I just want to say that it's really okay not to be okay. And if you are someone like me, if you are a grieving mother, losing a child is something you can never really move on from. You will find a way to express that love again. You are not alone in this journey.